Introducing the Mamaearth Carnation Nude Lipstick, your perfect companion for everyday elegance. Crafted with the goodness of natural ingredients, this lipstick nourishes your lips while delivering a beautiful long-lasting color. With its smooth creamy texture and subtle pinkish nude color, the Carnation Nude shade is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a day at the office or a night out, this lipstick is here to enhance your natural beauty. Made with care, Mamaearth's Carnation Nude is free from harmful chemicals like paraben and sulfates, so you can feel good about what you put on your lips. Mamaearth Carnation Nude Lipstick offers several benefits that it make a popular choice of mine. It gives nourishing formula suitable for daily use, glides smoothly, 12 hours stay. Try Mamaearth Carnation Nude Lipstick today, a shade that cares for you just as much as you care for yourself. Grab yours now.